Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Cybrosys. Today let's talk about the stages in the Helpdesk module of Odoo 80. These stages can basically be used to track the progress or even track the Helpdesk pipeline. Okay, so inside this you have different tickets, and this can also be tracked, and we can see the progress of each tickets by using these different stages. Now these stages can be named based on your need, that is, you can customize and you can name it based on your need. Okay, so let me show you how to create and manage stages inside the Helpdesk module of Odoo 18. So let's see how stages can be managed in the Helpdesk module. So basically stages are crucial for managing the workflow of Helpdesk tickets in Odoo. So first let's navigate to the Helpdesk module and let's talk about creating and managing stages. So you can find stages under the configuration, and if you can't find it, make sure you've enabled your developer mode. Okay, so under configuration you can find the stages of the Helpdesk module. Okay, so click on the stages. So this will enable you to view the stages. So you can see the existing stages and the order in the pipeline. So if you want to see the order, you can simply click on the Kanban view. In the Kanban view, it gives you a card-like view, and then you have the list view. Okay, so these are the different stages. So if you want to reorder the stages, you can simply drag and change the positions. Okay, so drag and drop stages to change their order. Next, let's see how a new stage has been created. Okay. Obviously, you all know for creation, we have to click on new. So this is the new button. Click on that. And here comes the stage creation form. What you have to do is you have to enter name for the stage. So I'm giving the name as, let it be a demo stage. Okay. It's a demo stage. And then you have the email template for the stage. So you can set a template for the stage. What happens is that once a ticket reaches the stage, this mail will be, that template will be used, okay, for sending mails and all. So it can either be ticket closed one, ticket rating request, or ticket received one. So I'm just putting ticket rating request, because such a template will be given to the customer. Then you have the SMS template. So as a template for sending an SMS, okay, so that can be chosen from here. So here you can see SMS automatically sent to the customer when the ticket reaches the stage. So that template should be set over here. So if there is any pre-configured template, that can be chosen from here. And then you have the sequence. Okay, so you can set the sequence over here. It can be 10. The sequence was 10. So I'm setting, let it be 10 itself. And then you have the folded in Kanban. So you can check the folded in Kanban to hide tickets in the stage in the Kanban view. So if you click on this, this will be hidden. And then you have the Helpdesk team. That is, you can choose the team to which you are creating this particular stage. So you can enable this in any specific team. It can either be a customer care or VIP support. So I'm just putting VIP support. And even if you want, you can choose multiple Helpdesk teams at a time. Okay. So that's done. So only fold stages that truly represent the end of the workflow. Okay, in folded in Kanban stages. In that case, you can choose only the ones which truly represents the end of the workflow. Okay, so that's done. I'm saving it. So what happened is that a new stage is created for the Helpdesk team, which is VIP support, which is demo. Okay. Now, if you go to the tickets, if you see my tickets, you can see different tickets over here. And let's go back to the overview. So this is the VIP support, which I was talking about. If you open that, so here you have the tickets, and this is the stage which we created right now, which is demo. From here also you can access it. But this is currently in the VIP support. If you go back to the Helpdesk overview and open the customer care, you won't be able to find demo there. Why? Because we assigned it only to the VIP support. Okay. So that's how you create one for any corresponding, Helpdesk team. Okay. So that's how you can assign stages to teams. So you can assign stages to multiple teams if necessary, as I said before. Okay. So the only thing we have to make sure is that developer mode must be enabled to access and modify the stage. And also you can set email and SMS templates, which require proper configuration and may have associated costs.
So that's how you can easily deal with it. Now, you all know how stage operations takes place. So if you take this demo stage, I'm just putting one to this demo stage. You have this gear icon, which enables you to fold it, edit it. If you click on edit, what happens is that here some editing can be done on the stage configuration. Okay. And then you have the automations. So if you click on automations, the automations which we have set will trigger, and then you have the option to delete it, archive all, and unarchive all. Okay. So this is the automation place where you can automate everything with rules. That is to move certain tickets to different stages. Then you have the option to send. If one thing is like, if we have a ticket in progress and when it's moved into another stage, then you can automate actions like sending mails to the customer and all. So we've already set, templates for that. Similarly, from here, if you click on new, the automations can be done. So when the stage is set to demo, you can choose the, model, and to trigger what action that can be chosen over here. So that's how the automation works. So this is how simply you can configure the tickets in stages. Okay, so you can create new stages, assign it to different helpdesk teams, and manage it using the helpdesk module of Odoo 18. So yeah, guys, that's it.
So that's how easily you can manage the stages in Helpdesk module of Odoo 18. I hope that was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.